Hello everyone. Today we are reading quadratic equation. What is the form of quadratic equation? What is quadratic equation? So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the form of quadratic equation. This is the form of quadratic equation. Here a cannot be 0. This is the form of quadratic equations. So the quadratic equation, the variable power is maximum 2. Here A, B and C are constant and X is variable. Then we have to find out roots of quadratic equations. Roots means the value of X. So we have to find the value of X. Now ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, multiplying both sides by a. Then a square x square plus abx plus ac a into 0, that is ax whole square plus 2 into ax into b by 2, that is 2 to cancel, that is original form of abx. So plus b by 2 whole square adding and minus b by 2 whole square also, the same value is given. So a plus c is equal to 0. This is the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can retain as ax plus b by 2 whole square minus b square upon 4 plus ac is equal to 0, that is ax plus b by 2 whole square is equal to b square upon 4 minus ac. So that ax plus b by 2 is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4 root under plus minus. Ax plus b by 2 is equal to plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then now ax is equal to minus b by 2 plus minus b square minus 4ac root under by 2. These 2 and these 2 will be 2 minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac upon 2. x equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. When positive sign is taken, then value of x is equal to minus b plus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a, and x equal to, when negative sign is taken, then value of x equal to minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we have to find out value of x is two value. X is equal to minus b plus root under b square minus 4ac upon 2a. When negative sign is taken, the value of x is minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This positive sign is also called roots is alpha, say, and negative sign is also taken, is roots is beta, say. So this quadratic equation have two roots alpha and beta. Alpha and beta. Two roots of given quadratic equation is alpha and beta. Alpha also minus b plus root under b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is also minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here D is called discriminant, and its value is D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then this can be written as minus b plus root under d by 2a, and also this can be written as minus b minus root under d by 2a. Discriminants is a value of b square minus 4ac. D gives the value of rational number. Now we have to find the nature of roots in the terms of D. Now the sum of two roots. Case 1 is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. second is alpha into beta is equal to c by a. The product of two roots is equal to, the value is given c by a, and sum of two roots is given as minus b by a. This is the value of sum and product form of roots of given quadratic equation. Now we have to explain that the nature of roots in the terms of D. Here, nature of roots in the terms of D can be explained that if D is greater than 0 and is a perfect square, roots will be real, distinct and rational. If D is greater than 0 and is not a perfect square, roots will be real, distinct and irrational. Third one is, if D is equal to 0 and roots will be real and equal. Fourth is, if D is less than 0, then roots will be distinct and imaginary. This is the basic nature of roots in the terms of D. So, we explain the nature of roots. If any two roots of alpha and beta are given, then the required quadratic equation, how can you find? So we can explain the required quadratic equation. If root is known, then how can you find the quadratic equation? If two roots are given, then required quadratic equation will be x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. This is the required quadratic equation. If two roots are known, then we have to find out required quadratic equations if root are known. This is the required quadratic equation. So today we have to learn about the quadratic equation and its roots and nature. Also, if two roots are given, then required quadratic equation can we find out this formula, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Thank you watching for this video.